Guys, welcome back to the channel, All Aspects Crew. I'm here with Jason Yoon, my homie, and today we're gonna have a lot of fun with a lot of carbon pieces. So out here in the hood, we got new carbon fiber spoiler, got some carbon fiber mirror caps, M3 style, and got a carbon fiber e-brake. So today we're gonna be installing all three goodies. So let's get started. So we're gonna tackle the spoiler first, but we're gonna have to take out the OEM spoiler that came with my car. So what you're gonna need if you're gonna take it off is a heat gun, some fish wire or some kind of like gauge wire that's really thin, and some microfiber towels and some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. 70% should be fine.
Are you sure this isn't floss? It's like floss.
Lol. Nah. Alright. What you want to do first step is get your heat gun and start heating up the spoiler as much as possible, so all the residue and adhesive starts warming up, and it's easier to take off the spoiler than it is when it's cold. Guys, so once you guys finish heating up your spoiler, you're gonna get your fish wire or your gauge wire that's really thin and strong, and you're gonna start at a corner and make sure to pull up. My spoiler was a little bit loose on this end anyways, so it's a little bit easy to come off, but once you start tackling it, and voila, it comes off. So after you take your spoiler off, we'll go on to the next step by cleaning off all the residue that's left on the trunk. So as you can see, all the residue is still on here, especially the old double-sided tape. So what you want to do is just carefully kind of just go through it. You can use the heat gun to heat it up, and then just use your hands, or if you have any special tools that won't scratch your paint, you can use that to take it off. Hey guys, as you can see, it's pretty tedious to do this. So when you guys are taking off your double-sided tape that is still stuck on your trunk, just take your time, use your fingers, put them to work, but just gotta go through them pretty much. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass to do, but once you're done, you'll be done. But just take your time and just do it safely and make sure not to damage your paint. And yeah, once you're done with it, we'll go on to the next step. Also, it doesn't hurt to have all your friends help you. Once you guys take off all your double-sided tape off your trunk, make sure to be careful when you're using fingers and don't hurt yourself like I did, because this shit fucking hurts like a bitch. Oh, fuck. Once you guys have it all off, you're gonna get yourself a clean microfiber towel and some alcohol. You could even mix it with a little bit of water too, but once you have that, you can just wipe off all the residue that's been left on your hood, your trunk. So just clean it up really nice, and just make sure to take off all that residue that's left over. So what I did was, after you clean up, wiping your trunk with a microfiber towel and the alcohol, make sure it's all clean, and do the same. Use the alcohol and the microfiber towel to do it on the bottom of your spoiler, so both sides can adhere really well. So what I did was put double-sided tape on the bottom of the spoiler, and I just mocked it up for now to see how it's gonna look. But I do have the masking tape of where I want the fitment to be over here and here. So what I can do is just turn it over and hold it from there. I have the masking tape all over on the bottom, so once I'm ready, I can just take it off and just push it down and it'll be in the right fitment. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna start taking off all the red tapes. Really dark. I'm here still with Jason, but finally got the carbon fiber spoiler fully put on. We took off the red tape and we just went full send and put it on, and I like it. Adjustment's good. Make sure to push down really good on the trunk, and put some blue masking tape over it so it's down and really good on there and a hold there. So I would probably leave it overnight and make sure it sticks on really good and it's gonna stay there. But since it's getting really late, we'll probably finish this up tomorrow and install the rest of the parts, and then also look at the spoiler and cinematics. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. I'm back. This is the next day. I'm here with Jason again, and well, it's raining, so we're at the warehouse today, and we're going to be finishing up the installs. We're going to be installing the mirror caps and the e-brake handle. So yeah, let's get to it, and after everything is finished, we're going to be filming some cinematics, and you'll be getting to see them soon, so be on the lookout.
And don't forget to stay safe, guys. Always wear a mask.
Alright guys, first step, you're going to need a pry tool. And once you get your pry tool, you're just going to go around the edge and start popping it off.
Now I know that those clicking sounds aren't me breaking it, I'm more comfortable because he had those sounds too. Swag.
Alright guys, so when you guys have your OEM mirror caps taken off, you're going to get your new carbon fiber mirror caps and just apply it. Just fit them on.
I know, but I just don't want it to fly off, that's it. I want it to like stay on forever. Damn, M3S cool. I like it. Oh, it looks way better. Dude, the front angle is sick. Guys, this thing looks freaking so awesome. I'm kind of jealous. Damn. Fool, you have an M3 now or what?
Oh yeah.
This shit is so sick. Damn, I really want this. Josh, can I have your OEM ones? I'm gonna sell them on eBay. So what I really like about Josh's is that it's a direct replacement, whereas my boo-boo ass one just goes right over your OEM cap. This just sucks.
Alright guys, so we're going to be installing the carbon fiber e-brake handle over here. So the first thing you want to do is just take off your boot right here. You're just going to unclip it. Just go all around. You should feel it pop out. Boom. And once the boot over here is off, you just slide. E-brake out. Go around it. Stick it out. Just push it in. Once you got it flipped around, you're gonna see that there's a zip tie around here. And what you're gonna do is just get a blade. Can you hand me a blade over there?
I got you.
Just get a blade. You're just gonna cut off your OEM zip tie. Boom. And then you can proceed to detach the OEM brake, e-brake handle from the boot. There's gonna be some glue residue on there, so just watch out. And boom, your old one's out.
You guys like the OEM one better? Or the carbon fiber? Ooh.
Alright. So then you're gonna put your new carbon fiber in. And there's already an old groove over there, so you just kind of have it around there. Get your zip ties. Just put it around the original groove. Make sure to have this end towards the tip of the corner. Once you have the zip tie secured around the edge, you can flip it back around.
Damn.
Boom.
How's it feel?
Feels good. And you just push it back in.
Jack it off. Gay.
And then you could just pop back in your boot.
Damn. Now you could drift in style.
Here you go. And that's how you do it.
Show the drift real quick. Drift, drift, drift. You guys hear that? The sound of carbon fiber.
Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed those cinematics and the install. We'll be back with more. I do have some more car parts coming in, but with the whole coronavirus thing going on, who knows when I'll get it, but when we do, we're definitely going to be installing those too. But yeah, Hope you guys also enjoyed that giveaway. And you guys...
Shout out to you guys for answering. Thank you guys.
But if you're looking out for more giveaways, just make sure to subscribe because we are going to be doing a lot more and a lot more installs on this car, the E30, this car, the Evo. The Evo should be running up soon, and on these RX-7. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this vlog, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and see ya.